bringing the fire and it's gonna be hot. I just added some cling wrap to the side of my face and I glued it down because I want this side of my face to be like covered in gelatin. A gelatin mixture is just gelatin, vegetable glycerin, and water equal parts. And then you just heat it up and it'll look like this. And then I wait till it cools down a little bit and then I'll start on my face. Do a little patch test and we're good to go. Using the gelatin, I just took big globs of it to make these blisters. This one I covered in liquid latex and I'm just gonna throw yellow on top of it. I'm just using some light brown and pink shadows just to create some definition in between the gelatin. I feel myself getting a little too crazy with the paint job, so we're gonna go ahead and stop here. I'm gonna apply a little bit of liquid latex on top of all of this. That's just gonna give it a nice shine. And then I also have some coffee grounds that I'm going to put on the side, just I think at where my hair is, and then maybe a little bit right here. It's blood time. Yes. I'm going to try to not put too much blood in this, but I love fake blood. It's the best. So I'm gonna try to keep it more concentrated on this side because this is like the gnarlier side. Pop in a white mesh contact just to top off this look. All right, and then probably do a little light change. Here we have our finished masterpiece. What do you guys think? I give this like a 5.5 out of 10. I don't know. Maybe it looks really awesome. Maybe I'm just like not in the mood today. I don't know. But I'll see you around for the next one when we do air. Mwah. Bye.